Good morning. We are in Brea, California. Complete remodel of a front yard and driveway. We use Olsen Pavingstone as a manufacturer with their plank flat top. Customer had an interior that is modern, contemporary looking, so we continued that look into the outside, and we did contemporary, clean, sleek look of the Olsen Pavingstone plank in a chevron design. Steps are done with precast with a very nice and clean look. You can see in the front the driveway and the turf and the landscaping all come together pretty much seamlessly. Extremely clean look, and customer got exactly what they envisioned. House is very clean look, so we had to get some color, add some color to it. So we went with the skyfall color to add some color into the front yard, and the paver next to the nice brand new turf and the beautiful landscaping completely give the house a nice facelift. Beautiful, beautiful look. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Kobe from Treeium Outdoor Living. We'll see you on the next job.